Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can verify a Rover for Roblox. Simply go to google.com and we want to search Rover Roblox. It's important that you type Roblox after it. Okay, and you should click on this first link right here that says rover.link. And I'm going to log out of my account, so it should look like this for you. You can, or you have to click on add Rover now. And if you're over 13, you click on login with Discord. Make sure this is your Discord profile right here and just click on authorize. And we can just, here, we can just click on verification. Just check all of these like so, one by one, and you click on continue. And then we select login with Roblox. Okay, so you're logged in as, and this is my account, so just click on continue. Confirm and give access, and it will log you in. So you're verified as, and then you can click on update my roles on a server, and these are all of your servers. But if we click on verification right here, it will tell you that you are verified. So I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.